Hello everyone. In this video, we want to calculate angle PQR, angle RPQ, and angle PRQ. Solution. In the question, we were given that line PQ is equal to line SQ. Line PQ is equal to line SQ. And also, we were given that angle SPR is 26 degrees. Angle SPR is equal to 26 degrees. And the ratio of interior angles of triangle PQS is 2:3:3. So ratio of interior angles is 2:3:3 of triangle PQX. Now, let us first convert this ratio to angle. And we can convert this ratio to angle by multiplying it by constant value. And let us say the constant value is x. So the interior angles will be 2x ratio 3x ratio 3x. And the sum of interior angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So we can say 2x plus 3x plus 3x equal to 180 degrees. 2x plus 3x plus 3x will give us 8x equal to 180 degrees. Let us divide both sides by 8 to determine the value of x. Over 8 x equal to 22.5 degrees. Now, let us determine the value of each interior angles. Since the question says PQ is equal to SQ, which means that triangle PQS is an isosceles triangle, and base angles of isosceles triangle are equal to each other. It means that this angle and this angle are equal to each other. So our angle QPX and angle QXP will be 3x because they are equal to each other. Angle QPX is equal to angle QSP is equal to 3x. Angle QPX equal to angle QSP equal to 3 multiplied by our x is 22.5 degrees. 22.5, and angle QPS equal to angle QSP equal to 67.5 degree. Angle PQS will be equal to 2x. Angle PQX equal to 2x, and x is 22.5, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 22.5 degree. Angle PQX equal to 45 degree. Now the question asks us to find angle PQR. PQR. Angle SPR and angle XQR are equal to each other because they are angle in the same segment standing on the same arc SR. So we can say angle SQR equal to angle SPR, which is equal to 26 degree. Now let us now find angle PQR. PQR. And angle PQR is the summation of angle PQS and SQR. Angle PQR equal to angle PQS plus angle SQR. Angle PQR equal to, let us substitute the value of this angle into this equation. Angle PQS has been calculated to be 45 degree and angle SQR is 26 degree. So 45 degree plus 26 degree, which is going to give us 71 degree. Now let us find angle RPQ. RPQ. But angle QPS is the summation of angle SPR and angle RPQ. So we can say angle QPX equal to angle SPR plus angle RPQ. So if we move this to the left hand side, it will become negative sign. So we can say angle QPS minus angle SPR equal to angle RPQ. Okay, let us substitute their values into this equation. Angle QPS is 67.5 degree. 67.5 degree minus angle SPR. SPR is 26 degree. 26 degree equal to angle RPQ. Angle RPQ equal to 41.5 degree. Let us find angle PRQ. PRQ. angle QSP and angle PRQ are equal to each other because they are angle in the same segment standing on the same arc, which is PQ. So we can say angle PRQ equal to angle QSP, which is equal to our angle QSP is 67.5 degree. So 67.5 degree. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.